Earth, our beautiful home, a tiny blue dot floating in the vast sea of the cosmos. Here lies every story ever told, every person who ever lived. It's where life as we know it began, and for now, where it remains. But as we lift our gaze from this blue marble, we begin a journey, not just through distance, but through the strange, the surreal, and the utterly unbelievable. Today, we explore 5 of the strangest objects known to science. Objects that defy logic, shatter expectations, and challenge everything we think we know about our universe. 1. The Zombie Star. PSRB 1257+12. In the quiet darkness of the Virgo constellation, a star once exploded in a violent world-shattering event, a supernova. This should have been its final act, the collapse of its core, the end of its light. But it wasn't. What remained was a pulsar, PSRB 1257+12, a stellar corpse spinning 160 times per second, emitting beams of radiation from its poles like a cosmic lighthouse. These pulses are so regular, they rival atomic clocks in their precision. But this is where the story gets truly bizarre. Orbiting this dead, radioactive remnant are planets. Not just rubble or dust, full planetary bodies. This discovery shocked scientists. How could planets survive the apocalypse of their own star? The explosion of a supernova should have vaporized everything, so how are they here? There are theories. Perhaps these planets are second-generation worlds, born from the debris of the explosion, coalescing in the aftermath like phoenixes rising from ashes. Or perhaps they were captured, foreign wanderers snared by the pulsar's gravity. No one knows for sure. But one thing is clear. PSRB 1257+12 is not just a relic. It's a reminder that even in the graveyard of stars, something new can still begin. This is not science fiction. This is a zombie star, dead but still spinning, still hosting worlds. 2. The Diamond Planet, 55 Cancri E, just 40 light-years away, a mere stone's throw by cosmic standards, orbits a world unlike any other we've ever discovered. It's not a gentle Earth-like planet. It doesn't harbor blue oceans or gentle winds. This is 55 Cancri E, a planet forged in fire and pressure, and potentially worth more than all the money ever imagined. Twice the diameter of Earth and nearly 8 times its mass, this exoplanet races around its parent star in just 18 hours. That's not a typo. Its entire year is less than 1 Earth day. It hugs its star so closely that its surface sizzles at over 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt iron, vaporize rock, and turn any known element into plasma. But what makes 55 Cancri E so extraordinary isn't just the fire, it's the carbon. Astronomers believe this planet's interior may be composed primarily of carbon, and under the crushing gravitational pressure of such a massive world, that carbon could exist in the form of pure crystalline diamond. Let that sink in. A planet, larger than Earth, possibly made of diamond, glowing red-hot, with rivers of molten carbon and an atmosphere thick with vaporized rock. And yet, despite its deadly surface, 55 Cancri A has become a symbol of how wildly diverse planets can be in the universe. It's a place where wealth, beauty, and terror exist side by side. But this isn't a place you could mine. It's not a jewel to be worn or owned. It's a burning inferno, a diamond-shaped warning from the cosmos. Not everything that glitters is safe. 3. The Flickering Star, Tabby's Star, KIC 8462852. From the constellation Cygnus, nearly 1,500 light-years away, comes a cosmic signal that still defies explanation. Tabby's Star, formerly known as KIC 8462852, flickers like no other star we've ever seen. Its brightness drops suddenly and irregularly, by as much as 22%, not once, but multiple times. And the dips don't follow any clear orbital pattern. They're chaotic, long-lasting, and staggeringly deep. What could cause this? At first, scientists suspected a cloud of comets, then dust, then debris, but nothing fit the data quite right. Then came the bold theory, a Dyson sphere, a theoretical megastructure built by an advanced alien civilization designed to harness the energy of a star. For years, astronomers monitored it, hoping for a repeat pattern. They found none. Whatever is causing Tabby's star to dim, it's doing it in ways nature doesn't usually explain. No infrared heat signatures, no gravitational lensing, no clear debris trail. Just flickers, silent, persistent, and puzzling. Maybe it's dust with bizarre properties. Maybe it's a new class of star we've never seen before. Or maybe, just maybe, it's something beyond our understanding. In a universe 93 billion light-years wide, even the smallest flicker can spark the greatest questions. The coldest place in the universe. Boomerang Nebula. Space is cold, unimaginably so. But some corners of the universe make even the coldest void seem warm. Enter the Boomerang Nebula, located in the constellation Centaurus, roughly 5,000 light-years from Earth. It holds the record for the coldest natural place ever discovered, a staggering -272 degrees Celsius, just a whisper above absolute zero. That's colder than the cosmic microwave background, colder than deep space itself. How is that even possible? At the center of the nebula is a dying star, one that is shedding its outer layers at immense speeds. As this gas expands rapidly into the vacuum of space, it undergoes adiabatic cooling, a drop in temperature due to expansion without energy gain. Imagine a star exhaling its life force, and that breath becomes so cold, it freezes the universe around it. Infrared images show a strange, hourglass-shaped glow, a soft mist, barely visible, hiding one of the most extreme environments known to science. The Boomerang Nebula reminds us that even in death, stars can create beauty and break the rules of nature. 5. The largest wall in the universe. Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. Now imagine a wall, not one built by humans, but by the fabric of the universe itself. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is not a wall of stone or metal, but a colossal structure of galaxies, stretching across over 10 billion light-years. Discovered in 2013 by analyzing bursts of gamma rays, this wall is a filament, a long thread-like structure in the cosmic web. It connects thousands of galaxies, possibly spanning 1/10 the diameter of the observable universe. But here's the problem. According to our current understanding of physics, structures this big shouldn't exist. The cosmological principle says the universe should look roughly the same at large scales. Too big, and things should start to even out. But this wall defies that. It's as if the universe broke its own blueprint, stacking galaxies like bricks in a cosmic tower beyond comprehension. Some scientists argue it's not one object, but a coincidence of line of sight. Others believe it's real, and if it is, it changes everything about how we understand gravity, expansion, and structure. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall isn't just big. It's so big, it rewrites the limits of scale. In the grand library of space, this is a shelf that stretches into eternity. From a dead star hosting new worlds, to a fiery diamond planet that blazes like a jewel, to a star that blinks at us like an unsolvable code, to a nebula colder than space itself, and a wall so large it bends the rules of reality. These aren't fantasy. They are real. They are out there, right now, drifting in the great silence of the cosmos. And they're just the beginning. For every mystery we've solved, 1,000 more await. Our telescopes may see far, but they have only scratched the surface. We are still at the shore, staring into an ocean we may never fully cross. But that's what makes it beautiful. Because in our search for meaning, for understanding, we are not just mapping the stars. We are discovering who we are, and how small, fragile and precious our place in the universe truly is. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, it's not empty. It's full of strange, beautiful stories, waiting to be told.